Hey, I'm Talon with Nextiva. In just a few minutes, you'll see how your AI employee learns about your business, reflects your brand, and gets ready to support customers from day one. Getting started is simple. Your AI employee begins by learning the fundamentals of your business, whether that information comes from your website, Google Business Profile, or the details you provided directly. Next, give your AI employee a name, greeting, and voice that reflects your brand. From there, your AI employee brings everything together to create a personalized starting point. Before going live, call the test number and ask the kinds of questions your customers are most likely to ask. This is a great way to experience the conversation firsthand and fine-tune before it starts answering real customer calls. Now it's time to train your new AI employee. First, choose the channels where your AI employee will connect with customers. If you want your AI employee to send text messages, you'll need to complete 10DLC registration. This verifies your business and helps ensure your messages are delivered reliably and not marked as spam. When you're ready, you can complete the registration by following the step-by-step guide on your homepage. Next, teach your AI employee how your business operates, the products or services you offer, the questions customers ask most often. The more context you provide, the more confidently your AI employee can represent your business and support your customers. Finally, decide how customers will interact with your AI employee and when conversations should be handed off to a member of your team. Remember, this isn't a one-time setup. You can update and refine any time as your business evolves. And that's it. Your AI employee is ready to help your business stay connected with customers around the clock.